Alright. Who's gonna get the ball? Librado. Oh, still by Kian. Kian, pass to Ryan. Looking for a pass to Kian. Kian with a drive. Oh no, it's a pass. Spotted down on the intercept. Gets by Dongs. Dongs for three. No good. Rebound by Grogi. Pass to Yasser. Nakaapak ng tae. Out of bounds. Bola ng Black Bamba with a blue jersey. Warning for technical. Jersey number may necklace. Ayun kwintas. Tsaka mga hikaw. Fourteen lang. Ayan lang. Hindi kasi hindi nakikita eh. Pasensya. Iwas-iwasan tayo. Sayang, mahal yan. Baka masira. Di ba? Kami naman. Kaya injury. Ay, nako. 80% lang makukuha nyo sa ACC. ACC. Sige kayo. Alright. Arias J. Pass to big brother. Pass to younger brother again. To give the ball. Take it for a pass. Pass to Mali. Pass to Doggy. Arias. No good. Rebound by Divine. Divine pass to Kurt. I think for three. No good. Rebound by O'Malley pass to Doggy. Teach me how to Doggy. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Orias J. Dribbling the ball. Orias J looking for a pass. Pass to Doggy. Doggy back to Orias J for three. No good. Who's gonna get the rebound? Rebound by Kian. Kian dribbling the ball. Kian, nagmamadali, may sinain, Dongs ngayon, Dongs for two points, made by Dongs. Dongs mang inasal. Orias B, looking for a pass to the brother Peron. Nice. Napasobra sa pro team. Guard, give me the ball, get arrested by Orias J, looking for a pass, oh my god, get intercept. Dongs, pass to Kian, looking for a pass to Divine, I think for three, no good. Who's gonna get the rebound? Oh, by Kurt, get arrested by Dongs. Kurt, it's a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 7, Librado. 2 shots for the Black Mamba team. First attempt. 1 point made by Kurt. 1 more shot.
Bang! 2 points. Made by, another 1 point made by Kurt.
RSB. Back to little brother. Little brother back to little brother. Oh. Got intercepted by Donks. Same ball. The white balls. RSB. Pass to Mali. A Mali for 3. Pass to Kurt. Kurt for 2. No good. Rebound by Librando. Librando looking for a pass. Pass to RSB. RSB. Pass to RSB. He drives. No good. Get by Librando. Librando for 2. No good. Rebound by Dog. Dog for 2. 2 points. Made by Dog. What a nice rebound by Dog. Dog giving the ball, looking for a pass. Pass to O'Malley. O'Malley. Stop for a minute. Pass to OSB. OSB looking for a pass. Pass to O'Malley. O'Malley back to Dog. What a nice fake by Dog. 4-2. 2 points made by Dog. Did you see how the doggy? Did you see how the doggy? Dogs, he drives. No good. Rebound by Dog. Looking for a pass. Pass by O'Malley. O'Malley. Oh, Kurt getting the ball. He drives. Pass to Divine. Divine. 2 points made by Divine. Ayaw pasa sa layo.
Ayun, walang team control.
Okay lang yan. Ay. Phantom pass. What a nice phantom pass. Orias J. Loving you. Orias B. Pass to Librando. No good by rebound by Kian. Pass to. Oh, that is a by O'Malley. Pass to Orias B. Orias B. Pass to Librando. Oh my God. Damn.
Ref, tapas contact, ref.
Ayaw. Sino? Sino tayo mo? Gabi. Black Mambas ball. Ball. Pass to Kurt. Kurt. Pass to Divine. Divine. Got it intercept by Orias B. Pass to Orias J. Layup. 2 points made by Orias J. This program is brought to you by Tide. Gulat ka, no? Dog, they're in the ball. He drives, but no, it's a pass for Kurt. Pass for 3. No good. Rebound by Librando. Pass to Orias B. Orias B. Pass to Librando. He drives. No good. Rebound by Kian. Pass to Dongs. Stuck by the head. Pass to Divine. Filipino step. No good. Let's get the rebound. Rebound by Dog. Pass to Librando. Bang! 2 points made by Librando. a nice floater, but no good. Rebound by Lebrando. Pass to Umali. Pass to Orias B. Orias B looking for a pass. Pass to Orias A. Orias A for three. No good. The second rebound. Orias B. Pass to Umali. Umali for two. No good again. Rebound by Dogs. Looking for a pass. Pass to Kian. Kian, he drives. No good. The second rebound. Dog, we have the rebound. Giving the ball. Harassed by the right. Pass to Lebrando. Lebrando. Take for three. 3 points. Made by Lebrando. Score 6-11 in favor of 3L's rookies. Ryan, pass to Bird. One nice pass there, down the bottom. Oh, Divide. 2 points made by Divide. Orias B, pass to Orias J, pass to O'Malley, I take for two, no good. Who's gonna get a rebound? Still got by O'Malley, pass to Dog. One nice fake, step back shot. Not good! Rebound by Kian, dribble the ball, that's bottom of the lane, Mikey Naeng! No good! Orias B, pass to Lebrando, he drives, he scores! 2 points, made by Lebrando. This program is brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. Pag wala kang ito, bumili ka ng sayo. Kian. No good. Dog. Second the ball. Still rebound by Dogs. Substitution run. Lebrando out. Sadava in. Sige, Sab. Pasok. Labas. One point made by Dogs. Mentopa. Pass to Dog. Waiting for a pass. Pass to O'Malley. Pass Orias Day for 3 points. Made by Orias Day. Bird, pass to Dubai, I take for 3, no good, the second rebound, O'Malley, pass to Orias J, for 3 again, 3 points! Time out. Black Mamba.
Black Mamba's ball. The Black Mamba with a blue jersey. Time, 1 minute and 11 seconds remaining time for our first quarter. Ryan giving the ball. Pass to third. From downtown, Divine, no good. He's gonna get the rebound. Rebound by Kian. Kian, attempt for 2. 2 points made by Kian. Mentopa, pass to O'Malley. O'Malley, pass to Saldama. Saldama. Foul. Jersey number 0. Kurt. That's first team foul and first personal foul made by Kurt. Got intercept by Kurt. Kurt. What an angel layup made by Kurt. 2 points made by Kurt. Of 24 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Ryan. Dongs, he drive, he score. Mentopa, pass to Saldama, 2 points made by Saldama. 3 seconds. 1. That's the end of our first quarter. Score 21. All right, time for the second quarter. Trios ball. Okay, play ball. Mentopa, they bring the ball. Mentopa pass to Saldama. Saldama pass to Librado. Oh, what a nice intercept by Kian. Kian pass to Kurt. What a nice take by Kurt. 2 points made by Kurt. Mentopa, moving the ball. Pass to Librado. Librado, pass to Kian-Ong. Kian-Ong, attempt to shoot. So good. Rebound by Kian. To Pasco. Nakaapak ng tae. Nakaapak ng tae si Pasco, mga kaibigan. Ayan na. Kian-Ong, looking for pass. Pass to Kian. Kian for 3. 2 points made by Kian. Ryan. Gets steal by Kian. Kian layup. No good. Pasco. He drives. But no good. Still rebound by Kian. No good. Rebound by Librado. Pasco. Dongs. He drives. He scores. Get on. It's a counted foul. Another foul made by Kian-Ong. Ken, tatlo ka na lang. Pasok lang. Hindi, sabi Goal. Second. Mendoza, pass to Lebrando. Lebrando, pass to Kian. Kian, attempt for three, no good. It's air ball, river by Kian. Kian, pass to Dong. Dong, she drives. One catch, super by Kian. Oh my God, ang dami ng Kian. Lebrando, giving the ball, pass to Mendoza. Mendoza looking for a pass. Kian, pass to Lebrando. Lebrando, attempt to shoot. No good. He's getting it wrong. Still Lebrando, pass to Lebrando. Lebrando to Lebrando. 3 points, no good. Dongs got a rebound. Dong looking for a pass. Pass to Pasco. Pasco, and then shoot for 3. 3 points. Made by Pasco.
Pasko ay sumapit.
Mendoza, pass to Gian. Gian, ganun siya pa. Gian, mama. Mendoza, pass to Gian. Gian, pass to Lebrando. Lebrando, ball 3. Kalabaw lang ang tumatagta. Ryan, here pass to Dongs. Dongs pass to Gert. Gert with a zigzag footsteps. Pass to Kian. Gandang dukat pero nga lang di pumasok. Rebound by Lebrando, pass to Lebrando. Lebrando, pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, ring the ball, pass to Lebrando. Lebrando, hold no good. Rebound by Kian Ryan. Oh, kuha ba ni Kian? Mendoza, it's a foul. Time over. Black Mamba.
Are you doing 2 shots?
Who's foul ref?
I don't know.
Number 2 just number 5.
Oh, number...
Alright, we're gonna announce the foul. Black Mamba fouls. We have Kian, first personal foul. Kurt, first personal foul. That's the first team foul for the second quarter. And 3. Three L's fouls. We have Keton with a 2 personal foul. LeBron J 1 personal foul. Doggy 1 personal foul, and that's the 2 team fouls for the trios for the second quarter. Wala. Si sa BB Lagsby. Alright. Bang. 1 point made by Mendoza. Third, looking for a pass. Pass to Pasco. Pasco to Dongs. Wow! Wow! 2 points made by Dongs. Dongs with John Manok. Mendoza, Pasco. Oriastay. 43 again. No good. Rebound by Lebrando. Lebrando. Pasco Oriastay. Another 3 points. No good. Who's going to get the rebound? Rebound by Mendoza.
Natulak sa bola sa kanyang bahay. Oh, wala isang acrobatic shot by the Black Mamba. Yun, Basta tayo mo ang Black Mamba.
Last time out niya yun for this quarter. Last time out niya yun for this quarter.
Score 25-30 in favor of Tree Earls Rookies. At sa ulo ng mga nagbabagang balita, di umano. At magpapatuloy na po ang ating laro. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Ang Black Mamba o ang Wheels? One, 3-1. Ay, Divine, pass to Steve. Ano nga po mga kaibigan? Oh, wow! It's intercept by Orias K. Grabe! Pass to Bitopa! Mendoza, pass to Dog! Dog! Sayang! Sayang! That's a foul made by Steve. Dalawang tira para kay Dog. That's the second team foul for the Black Mamba. And first personal foul para kay Steve. Unang tira. Bayong na bayong. Isa pang tira. One nice wheel by Kian. Kian looking for a pass to Doms. Doms pass to Divine. Divine for 3 points. 3 points made by Kian and Divine. Dito na ako sa mga pangalan nyo. May mga M sa dulo. Nagra-rhyme. Dog. Dog. Ang gumaka na masabi. Umali. Pass to Orias J. Orias J. Pass to Bitopa. Bitopa back to Orias J. Orias J. Oh my God, he's gonna get the ball. Divine. Magpapadali. May kinain. It's a double dribble. Double trouble. Trouble. Oh, technical.
Sintas.
1 free throw for the Wheels. It's a technical violation. Bawal din ang pulita sa itlog ah. Sa dawa, bulitas mo. Kailangan yan. Ay. Alam mo, hindi ako wala akong kinakampihan dito, okay? Dog! For 2! No good! He's gonna get the rebound. Still rebound by Dog! Galit! Gusto mo na kaya? Nagiginis! Yeah! Bola ng Black Mamba. Jumbo. Kia, pass to Dongs. Dongs. Looking for a pass. Pass to Pasco. He drives. No good. Who's got foul, Rev? Librado. Jersey number 7. That's a third
team foul and second personal foul made by Librando.
No good. Another shot. Para kay Pasco. Grabe, ano pala ngayon ah? April?
Joke lang, sinigang.
Okay, dog. Ripping the ball. Pasto. Orias J. Pasto, Metopa. Pasto, Librando. Pasto, Orias J. Pasto, dog. Pasto, Mali. Mali, ball three. No good. Rebound by Kian. Knocked on the red. Yung sinaing. Tulog na yata.
Technical kayo, bata sa taas, technical. Attempt to shoot.
Oh, what a nice effort shot by Librando. Librando, he drives. Yes, score! 2 points made by Librando. Dongs, he drives. No good. Real by Dog. Dog, Pasto, Orias J. Pasto, Metopa. What an easy shot made by Metopa.
Grabe mga kaibigan natin, napakainit po ang bakbakan natin mga kaibigan.
And the ball divine for 3. No good. Who's gonna get the rebound? Rebound by Umali. Umali looking for a pass. Pass to Dog. Pass to Librando. Librando for 3. No good. Who's gonna get the rebound? Still got from the top. Pass to Librando. No good. Kian. Now top of the left. Yoshi Daing. Sunog na yata. No good. Who's gonna get the rebound? Rebound by Dog. Pass to Orias J. Grabe. Ang dami nangyayari. He's getting the ball. Real by Umali. Umali. Pass to Dog. Dog. For 2. No good. Still Dog pa rin. This the other Doggy. Third over by Bonnie Dog. Pass to Orias J. He drives. No good. What here? Divine. Knocked on the net. Yoshi Daing. Sunog na yata.
2 points made by Divine.
Alright, tapos na ang timeout. At tayo napapatuloy sa talagang bahagi ng ating laro. Score 30-35 in favor of 3Ls. Sino kaya mawawagi sa dalawang grupo? RLJ, pass to Metopa. Pass to RLJ. Again for 3! No good, he's gonna get the rebound. Rebound by Divine. Pass to Ryan. Looking for a pass. Pass to Dogs. He drives. Got them shot by Librando. Drives. So good. Rebound by Ryan. Pass to Divine. Pass to Kian. He drives. What a fadeaway shot. Pero no good pa rin. Kung sino gonna get the ball. Okay. Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass to Mali. Pass to Mendoza there. Orange Day. Mendoza. Mendoza. Oh, it came down. No good. Nabitawan. Iklan. No good. So we go by that. Jack Bamba. Get on, pass to Mendoza. Mendoza dribbling the ball, looking for a pass. Oh, got intercept, but still got by Orias Day. Orias Day! Gomes, daremos a Mendoza, pass to Orias Day. Orias Day for three! Yeah! 3 points, good by Orias Day. Oh, hello. Tara. Okay, technical error. Good. Pass to Orias Day. Pass to Kiatong. 2 point, no good. Sidama, pass to Orias Day. RSB. Gets still by Kerr. Easy way up there by Kerr. 2 points.
Nice, nice. Labaw, isa.
Grab by Kerr. Kerr looking for a pass. 8 seconds of violation.
Yes.
Yawa, pagsing.
Walo.
Bakit yun pa lang yung ano, nag-whistle lang? Ay, wait, kami! Sabi niyo yung referee, di kami gagi.
Bisag ako, makasabot ko English pero Ayan na kay pagkato pa mathematical equation na. English ka. RSB, Pasto, Doggy, Pasto, RSB. We are easy people, so good. Pasto Dongs, defense, very good. Check out Librado, has been divide for 3, bang! 3 points, made by Divine.
Oh, pizza. Oh, pizza.
Sino? RSB, Pasto RSB for 3, bang! 3 points, made by RSB. Score 42-41 in favor of the Black Mamba. Kirk, attempt to shoot to 3 points. 3 points, made by Kirk. Walang papasok ha? 3 lang, 3. RSB. Harassed by Red. Pasto. Dog for 3. Bang! 3 points made by RSB. Dogs. Divide for 3. They win. Leader by Umali to Librado. Librado. Pasto Dogs.
Oy, baba. Isisikat ka na.
Kirk doing the ball. Pass to Dongs. Pass to Ryan. And then shoot a 3-point shot. No good. Right, Kian. 2 points. Made by Kian. Score. 44-45 in favor of the Black Mamba.
Dalawa pa. Oh, yan.
Oh, 47-44, sorry. Okay, 43 again. 3 points made by RSB. Kirk, pass to Divine for 3. Bang! Right there. Who's going to get a rebound? Rebound by Ryan. Pass to Kirk for 3. Bang! No good. Rebound by Librado looking for pass. Pasto. Is it for 3. Bang! No good. Sino makakuha ng rebound? Rebound by RSB. Pasto RSB. Pasto Dog. Nice. 2 points.
Black Mamba!
Woo! Grabe! Four 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time for third quarter. Score 47-49 at ang labang ay Heels na po mga kaibigan. Mainit ang laban. Okay, continue na tayo. Continue na tayo ng ating laro. Meron sila.
Bola, ato bola. Kuya, ato bola.
Pass to Kian, with a fadeaway shot. No good. Who's gonna get the rebound? O'Malley. Pass to Orion Speed. Pass to Lebrando. 2 points made by Lebrando. Bird getting the ball. Looking for a pass. Pass to Ryan. Ryan pass to Kian. Kian back to Ryan. Back to Kurt. Kurt for 3. 3 points made by Kurt. O'Malley to Orion Speed.
Third.
Pass to O'Malley, back to Orion Speed. Orion Speed dribbling the ball. Looking for a pass. Pass to O'Malley. To Doggy. Doggy, he drives. No good. Rebound by Divine. Pass to Dongs. Dongs, what a nice space by Dongs. Very good. Hindi ko masaya bola. Rebound ni O'Malley. Pass to Orion Speed. Orion Speed,
Oy,
looking for a pass. Pass to Dog. Dog. No good. Can't get the rebound. Rebound by Kian. Kian.
Nice.
And 2 points made by Kian. O'Malley. O'Malley took the ball. Pass to Orion Speed. Orion Speed. Orion.
Good.
Kian. Layup. Time out. James. Actually, 3 L's. Rookies.
Nice.
Effect.
Sige mga kasama ko. Ready na kayo Hindi kasi payag to lang. Joke lang yan. At least nag-enjoy tayo lahat. Diba? Iwas lang tayo sa mga masyadong physical. Alam mo na. Paalala, ICC, 80% lang yan.
Alright.
Austin.
Ito na pa. At then po nagtapos ang timeout. Score! 54-51 in favor of Black Mamba. Grabe. Grabe ba? Grabe ang labanan. Mainit-init pa. Okay. Ian dribbling the ball, pass to Orion Speed. Orion Speed, pass to O'Malley. Easy 2 points made by Ryan. Orion State, pass to Orion Speed. Orion Speed dribbling the ball. RSB, no good. Rebound by Gian. Back there, Elvis at 5. Ayan na po, pasa naman nila. Turn! Easy 2 points made by Guard. Umali, pass to Librado. Librado pass to Gian. Gian, back to Librado. What a nice take by Librado. And a floater. No good. Ryan, dribbling the ball. Mainit-init ang lamay ng dalawa. Oh, what a foul.
Dodo.
First personal foul. First personal foul made by Arias B and first team foul for the third quarter. Si Ryan. Again, got a rush by Ryan. Pass to Arias B. Inaaral siya kayo ni Dongs. Pass to Umali. Pass to Gian. Pass to Arias J. Back to Umali. Umali for 3. Bam! 3 points made by Umali. Score 59-54 in favor of Black Mamba. Mainit na naman mga kaibigan na ito. Kaya naman si Card. It's an offensive foul made by Ryan. Number 1. Back pass to Gian. Back to Arias B for 3. 3 points made by Arias B. Score 57-57. Tabla na po mga kaibigan ng mga. No good.
Table time out.
Di na kinaya ng machine. Masyado kayong mainit eh.
Sino yung
Di na kinaya. Lamang ang Black Mamba. Ano pa. Kaya kalit mo na. Kasi. Naano yung engine, yung machine. Hindi na ako magana.
Relax lang.
Kinakalit. Kalma. Walang bayad to, okay? Kalma. Ginagawa ng paraan. Kalma.
Walang 62 yan. Tama. Ako lang. 59 lang. Dalawa lang.
Oh, good na.
Wala.
Oh, lamang sila. Lamang ang Black Mamba.
Tumitawag. Wala bayad.
Yung player doon muna sa bench nyo. Yung coach lang ang lalapit dito. Yung coach lang. Inaayos pa ng committee natin yung ano. 45, 47, 50, 52, 54, 57. Tama!
Tama tayo. Tama tayo.
Oh, hindi, ni-recount na yung ano. Ni-recount na yung ano. Yung
Score po ba by points yan? Kung 3 points or 2 points? Dito po. Ayun, yung dalawa lang to. Last ba? Yung last yung natali. Yung natali yung 59. Ano last points po ni Jake? Last 2 points. Assist ni George. Last point niya. No? Jake?
Sino yung last na 3? Dos yung nakascore sila dos sa last.
Okay.
Okay lang.
All. Deadlock.
Oh, deadlock tayo ha.
All 59.
All 59. All 59 tayo. Sorry, dito ako pa yung mali.
Hindi na ilagay yung dos na huling shot. Okay. Tuloy na tayo.
Okay, resume na tayo.
Okay. Pepe. Alright. Kurt. Giving the ball. Harassed by Gian. Screening Gian. Kurt. What a drive. That's no good. Rebound by the battle pass to Gian. Oh, by the power. Steal the ball. Wala. Kuwari. Orias Chay. Libre na naman sa tres. 3 points. Made by Orias Chay. Divine for 3, no good. Out of bounds. Falling on Trios rookie. Orias B. 10 seconds remaining time. 8, 6, 5. What a nice run. No good. Rebound by Gian.
Mamba. Black Mambas ball. Black Mambas ball. Dun ball.
Game ball. Dongs rushed by Gian. Dongs, Pasco. Tanaman. No good. Who's gonna rebound by Orias B. Pass to O'Malley. For 2. No good. It's not gonna rebound. Dongs. Pasco. Steve. 2 points. Made by Steve.
May Branda ngayon, nagpunod.
Divine, Pasco for Steve, Pasco Kian, with a fadeaway shot, no good, rebound by Librado looking for a pass, Pasco Valley, back to Orias B, Pasco Orias, but got nearly intercepted by Pasco, Librado for 3, no good, rebound by Divine. Dongs, he drives, he scores! 2 points made by Dongs. Ian, pass to Dongs, he drives, he scores! 2 points made by Dongs, scores 66-62 in favor of the Black Mamba. Orias J, doing the ball, he drives, no good! River by the wide. Pass to the Dogs. He drive again. And he scores. Dogs 2 points. Timeout. 3 outs.
Okay. Field ball. Trials ball. White balls, white balls, white balls.
Dito ang inbound do. Inbound.
Metro pa. Pass to Umali. Grabe. Grabe yung Umali looking for a pass. That's still by Kian. Pass to Divine. Divine. Harass by Mentopa. Pass to Kian. Kian. For 2 points. 2 points. Made by Kian. Mentopa. Getting the ball. He drives. He scores. 2 points made by Mentopa. Divine. What a nice fake by Divine. He drives. No good. Just getting it over by Dog. Dog giving the ball. Pass to Lebrando. Oh, good. Still rebound by Lebrando. Foul. Who's power? Who's foul? Steve. Jersey number 1, Steve. Lebrando for 2 points made by Lebrando. Score 66-70 in favor of the Black Mamba. Pass to Kian. Ang gandang pasa sa baba. Kaso pala naka-depensa. Still, Black Mamba's ball. All right. Here, pass to Steve. Pass to Dogs. Dogs. 2 points made by Dogs. Dog dribbling the ball, looking for a pass. Pass to Mentopa. Pass to Lebrando. Mali looking for a pass. Pass to Orius J. It's a counted foul made by Orius J. One shoot para kay Orius J. Come on, Kasab. Still rebound by Horace Day. Horace Day, 2, 3, bang! 3 points. Timeout. Black Mamba. Score 72-71 in favor of Black Mamba. Both team, meron kayo tig-isang time ang dala na pinili para sa ating fourth quarter.
Time out. Rinse. Isang time out. Tigisa na lang kayo. Tigisa na lang. Tigisa na lang.
Finish ng laban eh. Hindi mo bagay. Okay na sana itong medyo mas marami itong very compact kasi no? Nakakandito ulit. Hirap yan. Ganyan sana kalapat. Para ganun-ganun.
Okay, let's get ready to rumble. Black Mamba's ball. Kirk, throwing the ball. He drives. It's a foul. Number 7, Librando.
Third foul. Ilan foul niya? Third. Oh, nice. Third.
That's a third personal foul made by Librando. And first team foul.
Oy, upward tao lang mo. Yan, ayun na full. Upward lang, upward na.
Isang puntos para kay Kirk. Sa pangalawang try sa tira. Dalawang puntos para kay Kirk. 74-71 in favor of the Black Mamba. Dog. Nagana pa mapasa. Pinasa kay Prado. Libre-libre sa tres. Kasama na pinalagay na Orias Day. Orias Day. Orias B pala. Pasto. Umali. What a fadeaway shot. Umali. 2 points. Pasco to Dog Stone. White balls. White balls. Pasa Librado. Ay. At steal ang bola. Makaligat ang siyon. He drives and he scores. He was great right dog. Sabihan mo. Kaya naman pumasili. Orias to be. Paso. Dog. No. Tumalaksa. So good. Riba pa rin ito. Pasto. Umali. So good. Ano ba? Meron sa kanila kumadali. Nag-layup si Kai Caruana. Riba pa rin niya. Umali. Pasto. Orias stay. 4-3. Pasto. Here. Not drive. Hindi pa rin po sa mga kaibigan. Mas pa rin yung ay Librando. Librando. Pasto Umali. Pasto Dog. Umali. 4-3. Umali. Tabla na. 76. Ano mga kaibigan? Si Divine. Papawi. No good. Buhay sila ng mga Umali. Pasto. up, sabi ko sa man. Pasko out, Ryan in. Ayan na po mga kaibigan. At mainit-init po ang laban. O'Malley, naghanap ng mababasa, binasa kay Dog. Dog, paso, Librado. Librado! Divine! No good! Ay na, labas po si Kian. Kian, pass to Ryan. Ryan, nagkala mo pa sa Divine. Divine, pass to Doms. Doms for 3. No good. Riz ka na rebound. Rebound by Divine. Ayan na nga po nagkakawa siya ng bola. Kung sino nga ba ang nararapat para sa kanya. Ayun! Ayun!
When you're on the ground, oh, players, dyan na kayo, players.
Ayun na balang kumausap sa referee. Para nakita. Labas na kami. Just kidding, bro. Alright. Dog. Ganap ng mapapasahan. Ayun na nga po, Ariman! Oh! Foul made by Dog. That's a second team foul and second personal foul made by Teach Me How to Doggy. Side na lang. Side na lang ito pag gusto. Unang tira pa nga naman at ito ay pumasok. Ulitin ay sino lang. Okay, pangalawang tira para kay Divine. Malakas yan, 300 damage, Divine. Grabe, naka-Divine. Naka-Divine, 300 damage. 78-76 in favor of Black Mamba with a blue jersey. Ay na po yan si ibig sabihin lang yan, mas magaling sila mag-explain. Lagyan. Mas magaling sila mag-explain. Rano, pass to USB, pass to Dog, pass to Umali for 3, no good, second rebound. Rebound by Umali for 2 again, no good, second rebound again, Librado. Ay lang nga po, mainit po mga kaibigan.
sa roll, ang pinakamalapit lang.
Oo, ito kanina dalawa.
Hindi siya tumawag. Hindi siya tumawag. Ikaw lang ang tumawag.
Tumawag, siya pareho kami tumawag. Siya ang pinakamalapit.
Tagal na tayo sa laro pero ikaw ayaw tumawag. Hindi siya tumawag.
Hindi, tumawag siya daw.
Tumawag siya.
May tawag
Dalawa
siya,
pa lang kami.
may tawag siya. May tawag siya, may tawag siya.
Okay.
Technical, number,
Ayun, both referees, please come here. All referees. Okay. All referees come here.
Committee timeout,
Committee
committee
timeout.
timeout. Committee timeout. Players, dyan lang
Player,
ako.
doon muna sa ano. Okay, punta lang kayo sa bench niya, mag-uusap lang kami.
I just didn't hear the whistle go off.
outside bounces, walking. That is traveling. Before
I didn't even see that. But now it's a technical. Yeah, but because it's not, they get a free throw position.
Alright, reference decision, technical, Kian, jersey number 5. It's a one pushing foul, one shot free throw para sa 3Ls. And sinong ball position? Ball position pa rin ng 3Ls. Kaliwa lang guys! Ay! Ano ba? Sorry! Okay, 1 point. RSB, get a ball. RSB pass to Gian. Gian for 3. No good. Let's get a rebound. Rebound to Divine. Ayun na po na bawang nila. Kaibigan nila sa Divine. Divine! Layup! 2 points made by Divine. Pass to RSB. RSB pass to Umali. Umali for 3. 3 points made by Umali. That's 80-80. 80 off for both teams. Sana po mga kaibigan natin nag-iinit ang mga si Ryan. Ryan yun. Uwi ng zigzag step pass to Revive. For 3 points. May Revive. Lamang na naman po ang mga blago ng Dagma po mga kaibigan. Tatlo naman po ba? Ang init ng laban. Ang laban lang mainit. Huwag ang ulo, okay? Orias Day.
Table timeout. Players, dyan lang kayo. Anyone that throws a ball to another team.
Technical. Free throw. Free throw. Patay aras. Lamang tayo.
Third. Pass to Divine. Divine. Pass to Kian. 2 points. Divine. Kian. Bentopa dribbling the ball. Looking for a pass. Pass to RSB. RSB. Pass to Omali. Omali for 3. No good. Rebound by Lebrando. Pass to Bentopa. Bentopa. He drives. That's one.
Tumigas sa pa. Arias Jay!
Second personal foul. Injury timeout. Timeout kaya? Timeout sila. Timeout sila. Wala.
Oh, pinuli ka.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's organic. Okay. Alright. Another 2 point. Dalang tira pa para kay Orias J.
Nice! Nice!
Ayun na po mga kaibigan. Nandito na po ang huling tira para kay Orias J. Ayun, score for Orias J.
Gamit niya timeout.
Alright. Pumasok isa. 81-85 in favor of the Black Bulls. Oh no, both teams, they don't have enough. They don't have timeouts anymore. Both teams, they already used those.
Wala na kayong timeout ha. Pauli na. Still have one timeout. Meron pa kayong isa.
Black number still have one more timeout, okay? Okay, Vivian! Ito na po!
Pauli na sila. Penalty. Penalty. Penalty na butin. Penalty ako.
Laba. Isa na lang. Isang foul nyo, penalty na kayo.
Isa-isa.
Isa. Isang foul, penalty na. Warning na kayo. Warning for penalty, okay? Reminder. Pass to Dog. Dog, pass to Orias J. Orias J to Orias B. Orias B for three. No good. Up, still good.
Gege, patay oras! Patay oras! Oh, likod na! Patay oras! Nice!
29 seconds remaining time for Rustin. Timeout, Parker.
Third personal foul.
85-81 in favor of Black Bulls. Black Mamba. Black Mamba. That's 13 foul, so there's no penalty for the trios. No. Black Mamba. Ay, mga kaibigan na yan na nag-iinit niya po ang laban. That's a fourth personal foul made by Doggy. And 14th foul for Trios rookie.
Bunog ni anime. Ayo, japin. Oh!
Wow. 10 to 10. Well, first guy graduate, which is number 420, Dog. Graduated from foul. That's his fifth personal foul made by Dog. Warning for penalty, both teams. Warning for penalty, both teams.
Kalat! Uy!
Oh, Dog.
Uy!
Penalty. Box. Graduate niya. 5 fouls.
Free throw!
Ano isa?
Free throw!
Wala.
Oy, tatat!
That's a penalty.
Number 8 white.
Doon lang, Doban. Nice! Sab.
Pasok lang.
Sige, pasok lang. Basta free throw. Pag may sasab, pasok lang. No, it's okay. Hold on now. Alright.
Bang! 2 puntos para kay Kurt. RSB dribbling the ball. Pass to RSJ for 3. No good.
Oh, kamay!
Okay, kamay. Okay. Always remember,